Okay. Let me see. Is this filming? That's
Yep,
going.
yep, yep.
Okay. All right, David. Okay. Look at me. Look at me, David. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, you can look at them all. There's a lot of fun ones.
There's any black and blue?
Let's look at black and blue.
Any black and blue?
Not seeing any right now. There's a blue and silver.
Yes, that works.
Oh, you want to jump?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. I like that black and silver. You're just trying to find another black and silver to... Oh, you found it.
Okay, so...
You had another black and silver. It just went bye-bye. I kind of like that black on the. Okay, let's see it now on the other one. I kind of like it on the blue one actually for some reason. Just a little bit more, but either one, whichever one you want.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay. Oh, that's got both parts to it. So you got the upper and the lower. Was that it then? Is that all the pieces you need?
Yep, I believe so.
Well, there's 4 pieces. Or I guess 5 pieces?
Yep.
5 pieces.
Technically.
Oh. Oh, I see, because this is...
Yeah.
Wait. Let's see something here. 1, 2... Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, okay,
Yeah.
sure. 4 pieces. Okay. I think he's got it.
Let's take everything out of your basket and get that out of the way for you.
Beautiful. All right, my friend. So you're in my hands now. You're going to slide all your pieces over to the right side of the build. These here, your blueprints. We're going to ignore step 1. We don't have to worry about that one. Step 2 is where you're going to start. So you want to start by taking off the tape on these 2 halves of the body. While you do that, I'm going to make sure that your motivator is turned on. So I get off that first piece of tape, and the second one should come off nice and easy. So I'll take that for you, my friend. Just go ahead and pull the 2 halves apart, and that'll help you get that second piece off. Perfect. I'll take that for you as well. Thank you very much, my friend. All right, so just go ahead and put the motivator in your body. You're going to put the 2 halves together. There are 2 tiny red triangles. One of them's under your thumb right there. You want the triangles to line up about a ½ inch offset. Good. You're perfect. Feels excellent. So for step 3, you're going to use the top half of your head. Go ahead and flip it upside down for me. You see those 2 antennae. Go ahead and pull those out. A long one and then a shorter one.
Don't want to break anything.
You're good. If it snaps, I can give you another one.
There we go.
Perfect. Now you're going to plug them into those 2 slots right there, whichever way you like. Keep snapping them in until you hear a click.
I think I like that better. I just want to make sure.
Oh, you're good. Make sure you like all the style choices. Now, this is the hardest step of the build. So back here, you'll see that little open vent there with the kind of line through it. And then right over here, you're going to see a tiny black line that sticks up into the gray. You want to match up those 2 spots there. Perfect. And you should be able to squeeze the head nice and tight so it comes flush. And you might need an extra set of hands here, so I can help you out if you like. But you're going to pull down the screwdriver, press the button, and you're going to get it on the bottom where there's 2 screws. So if you'd like, I can hold the head together, and then you can use the screw. Does I think you got it on right. It's just not going to stay until we use the screwdriver there.
Yeah, so it's kind of like this.
Exactly. So if you like, I'll hold this tight for you, and then you're going to pull down this, and you're going to screw in those 2 screws right there.
This.
Yep, exactly.
Gotta make sure everything smells.
Perfect.
Gotta make sure.
Excellent work, my friend. So the last step, attach your head.
There we go.
Very nice. And sometimes when the head pops off, you'll put it on to attach it and it'll be offset, kind of like that. So if you actually just let it go, I'll show you a little trick here. So if it's a little loose, just go ahead and give it a pivot along the magnet and it'll find itself and balance itself out. Now what do you think? The droid's all put together. Are you happy with it?
Yes.
Perfect. I'm going to give them a quick inspection and we'll be all good to activate. Everything is looking good so far. Antenna's nice and straight. Head pieces put together, so we're good to activate. We're going to set them down here for just a second. Pairing. All right, my friend. Whenever you're ready, you're going to hit that big red activate button.
Now.
Alright, my friends, so now that your droid's all activated, I'm going to go over how to get them moving before I hand them off. They are going to move and make sounds on their own, by the way, just to give you a heads up. Now, real quick, if you'd like, I can go over those buttons. So you got...
My cousin told me.
Oh, you already know?
This is how you turn. It's by.
It is, yes, and it's going to be basically the same thing as these buttons below it, because wherever the eye is facing, that'll be the
Yeah.
So if you already know what to do, you can set them on the floor, test them out a bit. Whenever you're ready, we'll give it a flop.
Okay.
Okay, how come I don't see him going? All right. Let's turn into your direction. All right, I'm gonna hit stop.